Hello everyone, welcome back to Lux Ledger. In this series, we talk about the day's top headlines, especially with respect to the luxury sector. We try and understand the pulse behind the headlines, and in this series, we also try and peel back the layers of the top luxury stories. In this video, we're going to discuss about navigating India's luxury potential. What is the potential of India as of now, where it's projected to be in the years to come? It is at 8.5 billion as of 2023, and it is projected to grow to 85 to 90 billion by 2030. The consumption patterns are going to be focused on specific luxury segments such as high-end automobiles, premium watches, and branded jewelry. Why? Because these are the segments that are seen both as status symbols as well as smart investments by the Indian consumer. Also, when we are talking about the Indian luxury market, we are going to talk about the beauty segment because there is an increasing importance of the beauty segment and the premium beauty segment for the Indian consumer. The beauty segment in India is actually gradually witnessing a shift towards premium brands, and we are seeing that by the brands gaining traction within the Indian consumer and the Indian market. The expansion strategies of international players like Sephora, especially in partnership with Reliance, highlight this trend. However, the broader market still shows preference for value for money and mid range brands. So, what is it that the luxury brands should take away from this? How should they strategize while entering the Indian market and projecting for growth within the Indian market and scaling within the Indian market? Their strategy should involve a nuanced approach by prioritizing segments that are currently showing the most promise while gradually building a presence in the others. Brands that will succeed will likely be the ones that offer a blend of global appeal with strong understanding of the unique cultural elements of the Indian economy and the Indian culture. That's it, what we have for you today. Do stay tuned in, connect with me on pallavisegal.com, and stay tuned in for our next video. Thank you.